Look at this. This is my super slicer from Idmark product super slicer. This is my presentation here in Panda 4000 Kubar near at Dammam, Saudi Arabia. You can slice, look at this, you can slice all of this, any vegetables or either fruits like this. You can make onion rings, chops for cutting pilpil or green pepper, tomato, cucumber, carrots, potato, especially for your pancit or onion, like this for make salad completely for garnishing design. And also you can make juice, this one juice, the smallest juicer together with this machine. You can make also mashikusa, favorite for Saudi people. French fries, crispy. And this one also tomato flour. Spring patatas. You can easy to cook this one, only deep fried in the boiling oil. This is our products, automatic Idmark automatic super slicer. You can slice the different slice on any design, from big to smallest, no problem. Because this machine there's adjustable, one up to number 7. Only Idmark super slicer can do everything like this. My presentation. The blade made in Germany. Blade made in Germany. They are company from Malaysia. Idmark company from Malaysia. This is the chips, potato chips, tomato basket, carrots, patatas, ideal for your apretada, menudo, calderita. You know that cook? This one for salad. Tomato flour. This is our present Idmark super slicer here in Panda, Kubar 4004 in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. The super slicer, the #1 machine, can cut everything, especially vegetables and fruits like this. Thank you very much for that.